everybody and welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly. I'm sure you've probably already noticed I'm not Mr. Clark. This week he's handed over the reins to me to share all of the remarkable things that you've been doing across school this week. Before I start, I'd like to say a big welcome back to Year 2. It's fantastic to have all of the teachers and children back in school with us this week and have the whole Leaf Forest family back together. So welcome back. As I've been going round, you've all been straight back at it and it's been great to have you back in. Another busy week at Leaf Forest. On Tuesday we had our European Day of Languages and I was really happy to see one of my favourite things, as you know, is fancy dress. There were some fantastic costumes around the school, so well done for everybody participating there. Super day organised by Mrs. Morsley, so well done everybody, and also some delicious cakes, so thank you to anybody that went to the hall to purchase cakes and raise lots of money there. Also moving on this week, it's great to see walking around school lots and lots of classes practicing their poetry. It does take someone to be unusually brave to stand up in front of everybody and perform their poem. But it's great to hear those poems coming out of the classrooms, and some children have even been lucky enough to go to our new Innovation Hub with Mr. Croxon to record their poems. If you've not been down there yet, don't worry, we haven't had our grand opening, but if you watch this space, we'll have some more news coming soon and lots of classes will get to visit the Innovation Hub once we're up and running. Just looking forward into next week is the start of our Children's University clubs. So your class teachers are putting on some fantastic clubs for you from now all the way until Christmas, and then again we start them in spring and then in the summer term. There's a great opportunity to take part in lots and lots of clubs across the school. So I know lots of the clubs are full already, but there are still a few spaces available. I know there's some spaces left in my cross-country club, maybe because the weather's getting a little bit cold and wet, but I'm sure that'll add to the fun if we're outside running around in the rain next week. So make sure you get your names down for any of those clubs that are left and sign up for those activities, because it's a great opportunity to take part in all the wonderful things your teachers have got arranged for you. One final thing before I hand over to your teachers to tell us about the remarkable work you've been doing this week. I'm sure you'll all join with me to wish Mr. Clark a very happy birthday this Sunday, and if you see him around school today, make sure you sing him a song, happy birthday, and wish him happy birthday for his special birthday on Sunday. Right, now it's time to hand over to your teachers to find out about all of the remarkable things that you've been doing across.
Good morning, 6BP's Child of the Week this week is Lexi Morrell. Lexi is an all-round student and a joy to teach. Her books are a pleasure to open. She's always pushing on limits. She's able to take on board everything that you teach her, and you see the evidence in her books that are presented absolutely beautifully. I look forward to getting to her book when it comes to marking my work. And she's so kind-hearted and brings such a great smile to the classroom, and I just wanted to reward her for all of the hard work she does. So thank you, Lexi.
Nursery's Child of the Week is Liliana. She always comes to school with a massive smile on her face. She's really good at looking after the new children in nursery. She sets a great example to all the other children. Well done, Liliana, and keep it up.
3MC's Child of the Week this week is Aaliyah. I've chosen you, Aaliyah, because you have been remarkable this week. You've put up your hand, you've been answering lots of questions, you're learning your times tables, which is really lovely to see. And I've loved how engaged you were in our music lessons this week. So well done, Aaliyah, keep up the remarkable work.
Hello everybody, my Child of the Week this week is Kian. Kian, you impressed me so much with your maths this week. You've been so independent, you've had high aspirations, you have been an absolute superstar. I've been so impressed and I'm so pleased with you. Keep it up, Kian.
My Child of the Week this week is Usman. He's been engaging in all the activities and he's come to school with a big smile on his face. Well done, Usman, keep it up.
Hi everyone. The Learning Mentors Star of the Week this week is Junior Bird. Well done, Junior, you've done really well. You've settled back into school excellently. You've shown that you are truly remarkable and we are really proud of you. A big thumbs up from Mr. Wills, Mrs. Tarrant and Mr. Comrie. Well done.
My child of the week this week has to go to Isabella. Isabella, I have chosen you for just being an all-round superstar. You are polite, you are hard-working, and you are a role model to the rest of the class in 2SJ. You push your limits in every single lesson, and you put a smile on mine and Miss Boylan's face. So keep it up, Isabella. We're really proud of you.
My child of the week this week, I've chosen Hassan. Although Hassan's new to the school, he's settled in really well and he gives 100% to everything he does. He's coming into school with a smile on his face every day and it's been really great welcoming him into our school.
Hi everyone, I've chosen Zalea as my child of the week this week. Again, another really easy one. She works hard in every single lesson. Her work's presented beautifully. That's in maths, English, science, across the whole wider curriculum as well. And she's just a superstar, so keep it up, Zalea. Well done.
My child of the week this week is Ava May, and I've chosen Ava May because she contributes so much to the learning in class. She's always got a hand up, always taking part with brilliant ideas, and she's been a joy to teach so far. So thank you, Ava May, keep it up.
Child of the week this week in RCG is Adam Ali. Not only does Adam work really hard in school, he's also been working really hard at home with his mum. Well done, Adam, keep it up.
Umair, Mrs. Tilly and I have chosen you to be a star of the week because you always come to our room with the biggest of smiles and you always try your best to push your limits. You are just wonderful and an absolute pleasure to be around. Well done, star of the week. See you soon. Bye.
This week, I have chosen Cassius as my child of the week. Cassius, I've been so impressed with how you settled into reception. You've come in, you have a go at all the different activities, and you really, really want to be successful. You're also really kind to all the other children, and you're so caring, and you're such a brilliant role model. Keep it up, well done.
My star of the week is Khadija. Khadija, you have been such a superstar since we've been back. You have worked so hard in all subjects, especially in literacy. Your handwriting has been beautifully presented in every single piece of work that we have done. Well done, Khadija.
Good morning, Forest H. My child of the week this week is Devlin. Devlin, I was really impressed with your maths on Roman numerals. Keep up the hard work.
This week, Miss Terry and I have decided to pick Sana as our remarkable child of the week. Sana, you have been pushing your limits in class and you've been working extremely hard, especially in maths, which I know you enjoy. I am really impressed with the effort you are putting into your work, and as a result you are making amazing progress.
I can't believe how much you have put yourself into your work this year. You have been truly remarkable. You've pushed your limits, you've discovered what you can do, what is possible for you, and I think you're absolutely amazing. Keep it up, Sana.
This week we've picked Callum Dale to be our child of the week. I'm really proud of how hard you've worked in my interventions and I feel like you've pushed your limits in every lesson. Good boy.
Well done, Callum. It's so nice to hear Miss Squire say such positive things about you. Keep it up and keep up your hard work in my lessons also.
My child of the week goes to Alicia. Alicia, well done this week. You have really pushed your limits. Keep it up. Well done.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week is Rayan, and I've chosen Rayan for his fantastic writing. Rayan, you made me so proud, and Miss Porter, and you kept wanting to come back and you kept asking to do more and more, and your letters are really taking shape and you're using your phonics to help you to sound out words. So well done, Rayan, keep up the good work.
living at the edge of the water, long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know, where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me, where the crowds would cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be. I'll be there someday. I can go the distance. I will find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile would be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right.